Hi guys, and welcome to the Natural Learn Algebra course. So to start algebra, we need to learn about one variable expressions. Here's a good example of a one variable expression, what I've underlined right here. 2 times x plus 3. Now, this has just one variable and no really equal sign. An equation would have an equal sign, but expressions don't have an equal sign. That's important to know. So let's start with expressions. Simple one variable expressions. And let's just use the distributive property to simplify them. So the distributive property goes like this. We have either 2 times x plus 3, or we can say it as 2 times x plus 2 times 3. So let's do our first part. The 2 times x equals 2x plus the 2 times 3 equals 6. That's our answer. Let's move on to another one. Again, using the distributive property, let's go ahead. Let's say simplify 3 times x minus 2. So here we just kicked it up a small notch. So we just changed our sign. So first off, let's start with 3 times x. So we'd have 3x. And then we have a 3 times a negative 2. Well, a negative times a positive is negative. So we can say it as this. Instead, it's negative of 3 times 2. 3 times 2, we all know, is 6, hopefully. And then, so we just plop a negative in front of it and then write 6. And that's our answer. So we have some pretty easy. We've probably got the hang of it. Let's do one more example, which will get slightly more tricky. We'll say simplify 3 times 2x plus 1. Well, we start with this and drawing our arrows. You'll get used to that part. So then we have our 3 times 2x. Well, how are we going to multiply this out? The x term already has something in front of it known as a coefficient. So we can't really do anything, could we? Well, actually, the coefficient is just what you multiply with x. 2x equals 2 times x. So we can say 2 times x and then just multiply 3 times that, which equals 6 times x, which equals 6x. So let's write 6x in our answer down here. And then we have just our 3 times 1, which is plus 3. We all know that part. And that's basically it. That's all there is to it. The distributive property is really easy. So I hope you learned something new today. And as always, this was Nitro Learn.